Hello guys, so there is this Sosovalue season 2 airdrop personhood they announced. I think they rolled out the updates last week on 15, okay, sorry, 2 weeks ago, and they said in the subsequent week. And earlier today they tried to give us a hint on what we should expect regarding how to claim your season 2 allocation. So I think this is it. Let me scroll down. Even though they removed it, I'm not so sure, but I can no longer find it on my homepage. So this is the Sosovalue season 2. There's a place I saw the personhood something like that. I'm just trying to show you guys. Okay, I saw it earlier. There are a lot of updates already. So in nutshell, not to waste our time, they announced that for you to be able to get the season 2 allocation, let me read it out from my device, from my mobile device. So they announced that if you want to be eligible for season 2, there will be a quiz. Like you have to pass the three question quiz to unlock 50% allocation. Initially, if you come to this ESP, it was showing here the season 2 allocation, the claiming, the snapshots when you'll be able to claim. Initially it was showing here the season 2 was showing that you have to have if you want to unlock 50% allocation, you pass the quiz. It was showing this side of the page, but now they've removed it. But just in case they decide to work with that particular information which they've just hinted us about, you must pass the quiz answer, the 3-question quiz that will enable you to unlock 15% allocation. The unlocking time will be May 2026. I'm reading from the screenshots that I already had before making this video. The unlocking time will be May 2026 and the snapshots for season 2 allocation will be April 2026. So April, you will be able by April they will take the snapshots, and by May you get the allocation season 2. If you are new to Sosovalue, they already listed. It's currently trading on Bybit exchange, so you don't have to start asking when we did now list. They've listed already, and they did season 1 allocation. Got some couple of they gave us real money, so that is why majority are hell bent on farming the season 2. And in view of that, a lot of people have multiple accounts. So to wipe out bots and multiple accounts, they bring out this criteria. For you to unlock 15%, you pass the 3-question quiz. For you to unlock 30%, you must deposit $15 worth of USDC on the Sodex. This is Sodex, and this is where you are going to deposit $15 worth of USDC. So for you to be able to withdraw 30% of your allocation, you must deposit to this particular their trading platform, this Sodex. And to do that, you just click on this start trading. If you click on start trading, it will bring it to this page. If you click on this start trading, it brings you here and you see connect wallet. So ensure you are connecting the same wallet you are using to connect with the airdrop login, or what's it called, with the airdrop daily tax. So I'm just going to approve and accept. So for you to unlock 30% of the allocation, you deposit $15 worth of USDC to this place, to this Sodex. So let me see where to you see when you click on deposit, and you'll be able to see USDC. So if you are depositing USDC, you select USDC, copy and select the chain you are depositing. Either you want to deposit on base Ethereum or the main Ethereum network or Arbitrum network. Then you can deposit. So for you to unlock more than 30% of your allocation, then you have to deposit more. So for you to unlock 60% of your allocation, they gave 2 options. Remember, I said this information is no longer showing on their main site here. It's no longer showing here. They took it off Maybe it was just something to just keep us prepared, or to just tell us, maybe it was a glitch, or just a spy, like something to get us prepared. So whichever is the case, now that you know that you need to verify yourself for you to be able to get the season 2 allocation, it's just best to have your liquidity standby. That's why I had to make this video, for you to be informed. So you don't have to wait till they now said, okay, that's what you have to do. By like a must, you have to start verifying yourself. For those that doesn't have the liquidity, now you get the information before they will bring this back, or before they come up with anything, to avoid rush or any delay. Because when everybody start doing verification, the system might be down, and people will be like, I don't have liquidity yet, I don't know how to do about it. If you want to start begging for liquidity, better start begging. I'm just kidding. So now that you get the information early, make sure you have your liquidity standby, because obviously they are trying to eradicate a lot of, or eliminate a lot of both accounts and multiple accounts individuals. So for you to be on standby, have your liquidity on standby as well, for you to be able to do the verification. So for you to get 60% withdrawal, they gave two options. Is either you do trading, $5,000 worth of trading volume on this place. You buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's how to trade. That means you can deposit USDC, like $50 or any amount that can be easy to achieve $5,000 trading volume. So you buy and sell any token here, buy and sell to generate trading volume. That's what they mean by trading volume. You buy, you sell back to USDC, you buy, sell back to USDC, buy, sell back to USDC. So you can do spot trading. You see ETH spots, SOSO spots, Mark 7 SSI, and USDC. So if you can trade any of these by doing buying and selling to generate trading volume. Just deposit, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's how it works. So for you to unlock more than 60% of your allocation, to get 100% of your allocation, let me mention the option 2 apart from the trading volume. The option 2 to unlock 60% of your allocation is to deposit 15 pieces of Mark 7 SSI. This one that I just opened, this one. You have to deposit 15 pieces of this token. So if you are buying this one, let's say the current price, I think it's kind of cheap though. I'm saying the current price like $15. When you check here, I'm seeing this one. I think this is the current price. So this is it. This is the SSI MAG7. If you click on buy, let me see if it will take me to the border. Yep. So this is the current price of this MAG 7 SSI. So for you to have for you to get your 60% allocation, option 2 is to have 15 pieces of this one deposit to this SODEX. So meaning that you can buy here with your USDC. We click on buy. Let's see where to buy. You have to buy here, then deposit to SODEX. I don't know if you can buy directly on this SODEX. Okay, there's a buy button here on this SODEX. There's a buy button here, but they said deposit to SODEX. So I don't know if buying on SODEX works, or you have to buy from the from this place, then send it out to that SODEX. I think that's how it works, because they said deposit to. So this, if you click on that buy, it brings me to Sosovalue indexes. Then here I can buy. So let me see where to deposit here. If I click on portfolio, I'll connect my wallet. I will connect my wallet here. Same wallet, remember. Don't change wallets, so that they can confirm that you are doing it. So if you click on buy from here, you can deposit. Okay, I think it's loading. You can deposit here, hopefully. Okay, I'm not seeing the deposit button there. There should be a way to deposit here if they want us to buy actually. Let me click on buy again. Click on buy and see. There should be a way to buy from here, and you can now send out to Sodex. But wait, the price here is showing 56 cents. What's going on? I think this is the price. Okay, this is the buy. If I click on, I have to deposit USDC here, so that means I have to get where to send in my USDC. It's saying I must have USDC on base network. Okay, yeah, I got it. The wallet you are connecting here must hold your USDC on base network for you to be able to buy. So this is what I am having on my base account, like the base network. I'm having 71 cents. How many? Let me see how many pieces this 71 cents can buy. Okay, to get me 1.26. So I'll have to deposit USDC to my wallet, this connected wallet, the wallet I connected here. I will deposit it to this. I will have to have USDC on base network on this wallet that I connected, the wallet I'm using to farm SOSO Airdrop testnet. Then once I connect the wallet, I can buy from there automatically. So after you've bought, so what you need to do is to have funds in your connected wallet, USDC on base network. Then you can be able to buy this Mark 7 SSI. So after buying, there should be a way to send out. Where's the withdrawal? Oh, yep. Am I mistaken? So once you buy, it will show in your connected wallet. It will show in your connected wallet on the base network. It will show. Then from there, you can now send out to this Sodex. That's how it works. The moment you buy from this index something, what did they even call it? The moment you buy here, because you are buying from your wallet, your external wallet directly, the MetaMask wallet that is connected here, because you are buying from there, it will automatically show under your base assets. Under you can see USDC network base. So it will automatically show under your base assets. Then from your wallet, you can now withdraw to this Sodex. You can now deposit to this Sodex. So what you need to do here is to click on deposit and select the mark, and select this one, this Mark 7 SSI. So you can see it's on base. So that's how the buying and the selling works. The buying and the depositing works. So after you must have buy using your USDC on base network in your connected wallet, you automatically see the token in your connected wallet. Especially if you are using OKX, it will pop up after you must have bought it. Then from your wallet, your MetaMask wallet that you have it, send here, copy the, I'll switch to base, copy the receive address from this place, and send the token. Send the Mark 7 SSI here, send the token here, and that's all. That's how to deposit. Where's the address? Okay, you don't even need to do manual sending. You don't need to do manual sending. Once you connect your wallet here, the same wallet you are using to hold the token, it will automatically show here. I think I need to deposit the USDC on base so that I can just go move on with this. So once you connect your external wallet, it will automatically show here that you have the token, and you just click on max. You see it's showing 0 because I've not purchased the token. Then you click on deposit. So you don't need any manual depositing, connecting. There is no receive address here actually. No receive address here. So you just have to connect the same wallet you used to purchase from the other websites. Then connect it here, and it will automatically show how much token you have. Then you click on deposit, and that's it. That means you have fulfilled the task. I think I need to buy. The price is lower now. You can see just 56 cents. What $10 can buy will be more than 15 pieces. So I think that makes sense. I can just buy now. if they will be using this criteria. I'm not sure they will want to use it, but we're just preparing ahead. But obviously they will do something to eliminate multiple accounts. So for you to withdraw 100% of the tokens of your airdrop allocation, you must trade on this SODEX with $20,000 worth trading volume. You must trade $20,000 trading volume, or have 75 pieces of this same token. This token that I've just explained. It's either you've gotten a trading volume, buying and selling. You see, buying and selling. If you buy this token, you can buy and sell till you get the trading volumes worth of $20,000, or deposit 75 pieces of this token, on this SODEX. Either you get $20,000 trading volume, or deposit 75 pieces of this mag 7 SSI. You deposit it here. So that's the options they have for this one. So that's for you to get 100% allocation, and for you to get 120% allocation, have a trading volume of $100,000, or deposit 300 mag 7 SSI. So it's either you deposit this token 300 pieces, or have a trading volume of 100,000. I think depositing this one is easier, because eventually, if you ask me, this token might eventually make some sense. And by buying now, it means I'm not saying you should buy now. I'm just saying, like, instead of just stressing myself for any trading volume, I'll just get the funds and buy. Consider the price to buy 300 pieces of this token now. It will cost you, let's just assume at 57 cents. 57 cents times 300. It will cost you $171 to buy 300 pieces. So if you are buying the 75 pieces, it will cost you $42 to buy the 75 pieces. So after the airdrop, you can just sell back but it's risky, because after the airdrop, the token might be down or something. So it's just risk. So if you don't want to take the risk of buying and having to hold till the snapshots, it's not as if you just buy now. You have to hold it till snapshots. After they've taken the snapshots by April, that's when you can sell. If you buy and sell now, you are not qualified. So if you are holding this token, you must hold till the snapshot time. Then you can sell back to your USDC. So by then, the token might be down, because once a lot of people is buying now, it will rise. And once the token is after the snapshots, people will start selling to get their token to get their funds back, and it will drop. That's just how it will work. So anyhow you perceive it, just stay tuned for the main updates now that they've taken back the information from the platform, from the website. Stay tuned. This is just me giving you an heads up and preparing you that you will need funds to verify for Sosovalue Airdrop Season 2 allocation. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.